morning, day traders. This is Mike with Rip or Die Trading, and we are day trading live this Monday morning. It felt like it was a little slow, but I've got about 5 or 6 things I'm looking at right now. Got some of the most promising ones up on the screen right now. I'm looking at AMD as well as maybe an option. Maybe grabbing some calls if it sells off a little bit at open. But we got about 30 seconds, and keep an eye on these 5 we have here that have some gap up and downs, and see what happens. Curious to see what SPY is going to do today too. It's kind of on a downtrend at the moment. Low gap down from Friday. Here we go. Alright, AMD is selling off pretty hard. If I can, I think I'll give it a couple minutes, see if it can really get down there so I can jump in on an option. This one right here, SGMO is kind of dying. Well, this ain't doing shit here. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Today was my first day back to the gym. My arm's a little shaky. Not from nerves. Well, shit, AMD dropped, but now it's popping back up. I was hoping it would get a little bit lower so I could get a good price on this option, but I wanted to get a $32 call for about 30 cents, and it only got to about 55, I think. Now it's over 60 again, but we'll see. It could be dropping back down. Well, we're going to take this one here, put it here, because this, we'll just keep Noah up here for shits and giggles, because it ain't doing anything right now. SGMO. Not a terrible, no spread really going on there. We're going to short it real quick, see what happens. We're looking for a break of 12.45 here, and it's not giving it at the moment. You want to see that break there. It bounced right off it again. That's what happens sometimes getting in early, but I think if we can get below that 12.45, I might jump in with some more. SPY is dying. Let's go. We won't be excited over 80 and looks like it's headed that way. Hard push down from 80. Let's get below 45. Still bouncing on it. Come on, baby. All right, we got some more there. We want to see a big red candle here. No, not big green. I thought we were cracking through there. Here we go. This thing really doesn't have a whole lot of support here. It could potentially get to 1150 pretty quick if we can get some selling going on. I guess we've got a little bit at 1220, but meanwhile, missing this one here. Well, I take a little beating at the moment. Let's see, we kind of want 60 to hold like it's doing right now. Our friend Noah that we decided not to watch broke through, and there we go. Now it get crushed now. Stay below. If this can get down to 1220, I might take half off of it just to practice what I would do with a bunch of shares. Now it's 31, we need to get below. Get through 31, baby. A lot of upper wicks on this guy, so looking pretty weak still. We get through 31, we could see 31 and 30, we should see a pretty quick drop possibly. There we go. I did not like where I got filled there. 32. Okay, here's that. I was trying to get in there in that 20 action there. But this is that 20-ish area that I was talking about. We get through that, and then we could see 12 pretty quick. This is where I was trying to sell my first 100 and missed it by 10 cents. Not a big deal. With the amount of shares I'm trading now, it would have been a big deal if I was trading the larger shares I'm trying to get back to. But what's the old saying? You don't go broke taking a profit. fight it. Let's go for one more leg down. If we can break through 12.20 here, I might take another half and then let the rest just go with a huge trailing stop. AMD's down where I'd like to. Maybe I can get that call I'd like. Still showing 45 cents. I want like 30 something cents. Let's go SGMO. Let's get through that 20 real quick. Man, that Noah that I said wasn't doing shit earlier, that'd have been a good one. Well, we probably got stopped out. 50, maybe, no, I'd probably stay in that one. It would have paid off pretty good right now. The other ones, not so much. So the one we're in right now is so far so good. If we can break through 20 or 12.20, we'll be pretty happy. But we're not liking the direction it's heading right now. What is this here? 44. We don't want to. If we get to this, I'll probably think about getting out here. Knocked it down again. So far, it's trying to fight through. What's going to happen is it's going to take me out, and then it's going to just puke. It's enough green. Let's go back to Red Town. Alright, I'm about to get out. 48's as high as I'm going to let it go. Actually, I should go a little higher than that, but I'm out. Oh well. Shit. Well, that was great. This was our number one play right here, and it just started out with just doing nothing. Then it cracked at 6 right here. So let's say we got in a little late. 36.89. Let's say 90. It got back up to 47. $50 loss. I'm not sure if I would have held through that or not, but it would have been great to get in there and hold through it. Where are we at? What'd I say? Yeah, let's just call it 37 for shits and giggles. We'd hit a whole dollar profit a couple minutes later. And if we're able to hold through that, $2 a couple minutes after that. Alright, so it's looking like getting out of oh yeah, oh wait. Duh, that's not even on there anymore. Where is SG? So getting out there seems to have been a good position so far, but this 21 might hold it down. What's AMD doing? Can I get that cheap call yet? It's at $45 at the moment. I think I'm gonna buy it right now. All right, we're in AMD. I'm hoping we can get back to $32 on this one. Reason I decided to go ahead and buy there is because it looks like SPY's hopefully found a bottom here and is about to start going on a tear. If that starts tearing, then I expect AMD to go with it. They had some news about their new chips and their video cards and processors. So that's why it kind of jumped up this morning. So if we can get back up here, that would be ideal for me. I've got a call for $32, so anything up here is going to be good for me. And I got a few days for it to do it. I'd ideally like it to happen today, but I have it through the 12th, so a couple days to get back to $32. This is a pretty shitty little profit for the day, but I'm trading in $100, I guess lots if you call it, but yeah, $12 on 100 shares and 0 on the other 100. But once I can trust myself to go back to normal shares, this will be at least 500 shares. So, I mean, it'll be $60, which isn't that great, but it's better than a red day. I don't know, SPY's trying to turn on me. We don't want the 21 to hold it down like this. Well, yeah, nothing really seems to be catching my eye at the moment. So I think I'm going to call it a day for now. Send to yeah, no reason, just trading for the sake of trading. We missed this one here. That's the play of the day so far. I wonder what the spread. We might not even jump in this. It might be too spready for me. Let's see, 34. It's about 13-cent spread. Not too bad. I probably would have waited. I don't like to do anything more than 10 normally, but 13's close enough. I could have probably handled that. Yeah, what sucks is, remember when I said I wanted to get that AMD call for about $30? I jumped in at 45. Now it's at 38. I should have just waited for my price. If it gets down there quick, I might get one more at around 30 to average it out. But I'm going to call it a day. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning I have that conference call I have every Tuesday, so not much commentary probably, but we'll try to do some trading later.